Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cadbury Bourneville chocolate is generally suitable for vegans. However, it does contain palm oil which some vegans choose to avoid due to links with deforestation. Also, Bourneville is produced on the same production line as products which contain milk, so it is not suitable for people with severe milk allergies. 22 December 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cadbury Roses 290 grams suitable for vegetarians. Tangy orange creme, strawberry dream, hazel in caramel, Cadbury dairy milk chunk, golden barrel, hazel whirl, caramel, signature truffle, country fudge. These chocolates are made in Bourneville's factory in a garden.
Let's help you make your mark.
Kit Kat is a milk chocolate bar, and as with most similar bars, it has dairy. The chocolate is made from cow's milk and thus is not vegan. However, Kit Kats are entirely vegetarian as they don't contain any animal.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.